Got about 20 minutes by my estimation before the sun hits me. Good morning. New country day today. I don't really know what to expect from Oman, except that bicycle tourists love it like they love Iran. And I planned my trip around Oman 3 years ago before the pandemic, so I can't really remember what it's all about. So I'm excited to go and discover Oman today. What's this? My last UAE free Wi-Fi from this nice man. Now it's off to Oman. It occurs to me a little bit belatedly, I don't think I'm going to see an ATM or a money changer today, so I better stock up on food in the UAE, even though I think it probably is cheaper in Oman. And this Cadbury chocolate. Ooh. Cannot go past a 10x wafer. Not too bad. Came to $6. Most of it went on this can of curry for dinner. Ready croissants, cake, cheap biscuits, imported English biscuit. It's not that expensive outside of Dubai. I've come the wrong way a bit. The map shows a road along here through the village to the border, but I guess I'm going to have to take the long road round. It's very beautiful though, I'm excited. Got my e-visa, there's no need for a PCR or vaccine certificates anymore. Let's go to Oman. $13 exit fee, and all the men just stood around chatting, ignoring me for a long time, but a lot smoother than arriving in the country at least. Oman! The Omani side was a lot easier, if not a bit confusing. Because I'm staying more than 14 days, I couldn't get a visa on arrival, I had to get an e-visa, but that got me way through ahead of the four-wheel drive tourists. But then my paperwork looked a bit different from everybody else's, and so at the final checkpoint there was some confusion, but eventually took my paperwork with a bit of help, and I got my first mashallah, and I'm in Oman. Wow, the patterns on that rock, it looks like a thumbprint. First stop in Oman, and the mosque itself is closed, but there's a cabinet of cold water, so I'm going to make myself some Iranian rose sharbat, imported from Iran. Don't know how much to use. Try that. Happy Persian memories. not been allowed inside the mosque. That's disappointing. I was literally shooed away. So it's not because I was accidentally trying to go into the men's side, it's because I'm not properly dressed. This is an insufficient hijab and my arms are out. So it's a modern mosque, so I can do without going inside there, but I will have to remember to dress it properly for the historic ones. I've been allowed inside this restored, gorgeous old mosque opposite, but even here he's hustling me out. Quickly, quickly, photo. Strange start. I was lucky to get in at all, I guess. Oman's off to a pretty weird start. I was directed away from the mosque to this old building, went inside there, then another guy hustled me out of there, said it's closing. I'm sure I've made some cultural faux pas, but at the moment I feel a bit unwelcome here. Perhaps I've just met the wrong people. This is the beach camp recommended on the Overlander app. Wow, what a scene. Such a nice swim. The water is crystal, the sand is powder. I was going to go in fully clothed, but I met a lady named Fatma and I asked about my clothing and I think she said that it was okay. But I still feel a bit weird hanging out by this park in a bikini. So until I can get a SIM card tomorrow, I don't really know what the correct thing is here. I'm not well prepared.